McKinsey creates some of the best visuals online. Here's how to make this one using just PowerPoint. So here's the dataset we'll be using for this demonstration. Now go to the Insert tab, select Chart, and choose a scatter plot. Once inserted, update the cells with your data. Since scatter plots require both X and Y values, we'll create a new column for the X values, inputting sequential numbers to ensure the data points are evenly spaced. Next, add a category label column and enter a number smaller than the lowest value in the dataset to keep the text labels aligned on a single line. To show the gaps between data points, insert a difference column and use the displayed formula to calculate the differences between the relevant cells. Once the data table is complete, close the data window. Then click on Select Data and remove any unnecessary legend entries. After that, click Edit for the first legend entry, and in the Series X Values field, replace the selected cells from the text column with the number column. Move to the next legend entry and update the Series X values using the number column. Repeat the same for the final legend entry, replacing the Series X values with those from the number column. Once all adjustments are made, click OK and close the data window. Now let's format the axes. So, select the horizontal axis, go to the Format options, change the outline color to black, and make the text invisible by removing the fill color. Then select the vertical axis, enter the Format Axis options, set your preferred minimum and maximum values in units, and remove the axis outline under the formatting options. After that, select the dummy markers, enable their data labels, and customize them by going into the label options, checking Values from Cells, entering the category labels in the provided field, unchecking all other label options, positioning the labels below the markers, and increasing the font size. To connect the markers with vertical lines, select them, make the error bars visible, and delete the horizontal error bars from the plot. Now, change the direction and end styles of the vertical error bars. For the error amount, specify the values using the data table and input the series values from the difference column in the negative error value field. After that, format the error bars by changing the color to your preference, adjusting the transparency, and increasing the line width. Now let's customize the markers. So select the top markers, enter the marker format options, make them bigger by increasing their sizes, change their colors to your preference, and remove the marker borders. Move on to the markers below, maintain consistency by matching their sizes, changing their colors to your preference, and removing the borders. To hide the dummy markers, select the plot area and resize it so you can access the markers at the bottom. Then remove their fill and outline colors in the format options. After that, enable grid lines to assist with object alignment. Then select the chart, and using the grid line as a guide, adjust the chart's size and position it neatly on the slide. Finally, annotate the chart and include titles and sources to complete the design.